This is just an area, basically the Hurricane Center's way of saying we're keeping an eye on it. And that 10% chance, at least as of right now, means they don't think anything is going to form. Right now, the Gulf of Mexico is very hostile. Now, it's almost impossible to always say 0% chance. Now, that chance of the next 2 days through Thursday is 0. But once that area gets into the Gulf, we could see some organization. One thing that we'll have to watch is just how far south this area of thunderstorms is in the Bay of Campeche. Something that's interesting, there was a paper written about this a while ago. The curvature of the Bay of Campeche, the land actually is conducive or induces systems starting to spin. So if it's near kind of the coastline there, it might get that little rotation and maybe enough needed to become a weak depression. That's really what the models, that the few that are a little bit more aggressive with this, are saying, that it would, if anything, be a depression as it eventually, probably on Saturday, moves into Mexico. Right now what's going on is incredibly dry air. You kind of see this broad spin, a lot of wind shear with an upper level low. So at the moment, the conditions across the western and southern Gulf into the Bay are very hostile. That moisture, though, as it moves into the Gulf, will eventually kind of, for the most part, move into Mexico. But a part of that moisture is going to get brought up toward the north central Gulf. And at that time, we're going to see a front moving in. So that will likely help to fuel maybe some heavy downpours beginning Monday and into Tuesday. Then note the dry air. We get a front to move through, maybe lowering our humidity late Wednesday and on into Thursday of next week. So the timing is looking like that moisture surge moves into the Bay of Campeche probably Friday, Saturday, Sunday, a lot of it moving into Mexico. But then after that, some of it being drawn northward toward us Monday, Tuesday. Not tropical, but tropical moisture helping to fuel some heavy rain. And that surge of tropical moisture could help to fuel some flooding rain. Now, Sunday and into Monday morning, that risk is a little bit more removed to our north. So Monday morning, maybe we start to see a few isolated downpours. I think our better chance comes in on Tuesday. Next several days, however, we are still very much dominated by this ridge of high pressure, which means we remain hot and dry. So looking ahead, slim tropical development chance, 10% the way things look right now. Those rain chances for us, though, increasing early to mid next week, probably through about early Wednesday. Then a cold front may move through, helping to lower the humidity a bit. Did not see much in the way of rain at all during the day today. About 10% of us actually saw rain, and even that was probably generous. Mostly sunny skies outside at the moment. 90 degrees our current temperature, and when you factor in the dew point of 73, it feels more like 98. Our high today did get up to 91, but we're also not talking records. So low 90s will continue on into the weekend. Flag Day, maybe a 30% chance. Those rain chances do start picking up on Monday, Tuesday, and into early Wednesday. A chance of some heavy downpours.